Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay till the morning? Can you tell me that everything's alright? Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I can't help but be in need of us two. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on and on and on, on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on, on and on and on.
Another day, another adventure. Today, we're at Grampa Falls in Trinityville, St. Thomas. This is our first time here, and I hope you guys will enjoy it as much as we do. The price not bad either. Just a modest 5 bills, plus them have parking for days. Anyways, too much talking. Let's get into the video.
Wow. But Jane, no, that side looks shallow.
Huh? What is a shallow? So one's right here, so okay.
No, man, so right here, so alright.
Right, okay, so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I could just take that little spot there right there, so.
Control you can.
Angel? Son, there are fishes. Hey.
No, them big thing. You know, you mean like.
Feel too bad, man. Not feel too bad, man. Try and find out the deep part.
The deep one there, so. Keep up the other.
Yeah?
Keep on the right, so.
Come on, go for the falls soon.
Huh?
Don't go another falls? No, just walk through. You see that? Just walk through and go for the falls. Eh?
Yeah!
Mr. Ronnie Dale, where are you going? Woo! That must be somebody that jump off it, look, fun.
Hey, look, boy.
Grampa Falls, is it? You do want that?
Yeah.
I'm going to you do that.
So you know, take a dive.
If you want the tour guide, just come down. We're going to Grampa Falls, right? Come in, just come. Be careful.
Yeah.
And the rest of the water from them.
Yeah, under the falls, Mongo.
Yeah.
What's a little youth?
Keep breathing.
Then, how deep is this, Ronnie?
Eh?
Woo!
When I pull. Jen!
Woo!
It's like that is slippery. I have to hold you on. Sean! Look at Sean. Sean, you're on video.
Ocean can swim, man.
Yeah, look, she can't swim. Hi, Mama! Hi, Mama! Hi, Nana! Hold him. I say,
Stay there.
instead of call him John, I can call him John. Hold him.
Near gonna what? Near gonna what?
The water right here is deep. The guy told you. They're not, he did say, that's why they said they can't come over here. But we never catch that one that came down, so that's straight.
That's okay.
Yeah. Sad. That's very easy, you know. The dive a while ago.
Gondela.
I was like, here. It's a guys, no horse is big and strong.
Who are you? You cannot go down there alone.
Man, Nana, how could you lift me up?
Watch I want to know. Watch her.
How can you lift me up? My foot are up.
I don't like it I see alone, I don't see
Nana, how are you lifting me up? Look.
Watch it. Watch
Take a
it.
picture here together.
Yeah, you get him.
You there, yeah.
I'm for the first time.
Yeah. Who won his first time? Nana always zip you up.
No, for the first time I'm going on 7.
Oh.
Almost
Let's go.
Listen, look.
You ready?
Yeah, I like it. I never know that I can lift it. Hold him, hold him.
Who's that song? It's in your catching. Ready? Yeah. Watch out.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.